Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hello. How are you today?
I hope you are having a good day.
Yes, a very, very good day.
Today, David and Alice are here again.
That's right. I'm Alice.
And I'm David.
And today, we have a very interesting topic.
Yes, today we are talking about feelings.
Oh, I love this topic.
Me too, because everyone has feelings.
That's true. Every day we feel something.
Happy, sad, tired, excited.
So many feelings.
Yes, and today you will learn how to talk about your feelings in English.
This is very useful because every day someone asks you,
How are you feeling today?
yes, and you need to answer.
So today, we will practice easy words and easy sentences.
Slow and clear, like always.
Yes, slow and clear. Perfect for beginners.
If you are new here, welcome.
And if you are watching again, welcome back.
Before we start, please click the like button.
Yes, it helps our channel a lot.
And subscribe too, don't forget.
Subscribe so you don't miss our new videos.
Okay, David, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's start.
Let's start. David, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling happy
Happy, nice. Why are you happy?
because today is sunny and I love sunny days.
Me too. Sunny days make me happy too.
What about you, Alice? How are you feeling?
I am feeling a little tired
Tired? Why?
because I slept late last night.
Oh no, that's not good.
I know. Next time I will sleep early.
Okay, let's practice this word. Everyone, repeat after Alice.
Tired. I am tired.
Good. Now let's repeat happy.
Happy. I am happy.
Perfect. Let's continue.
In English, we say I feel or I am.
Yes, both are correct.
For example, I feel happy or I am happy.
Same meaning.
I feel tired or I am tired.
Very easy, right?
Yes, very easy.
Okay, let's learn more feeling words.
David, sometimes I feel excited. Do you know this word?
Yes, excited means very happy and full of energy.
Exactly. For example, when I travel, I feel excited.
Me too. I feel excited before a trip.
What makes you excited, David?
Good question. I feel excited before my birthday.
Haha, of course, everyone loves birthdays.
Yes, cake, friends, presents.
Presents, I like that part the most.
Haha, me too, honestly.
Okay, let's repeat this word together. Excited.
I am excited.
Very good. Now, let's learn a new feeling. Nervous.
Nervous. This means a little scared or worried.
Yes, for example, before a test, I feel nervous.
I feel nervous too before speaking in public.
Really? But you speak so well.
Thank you. But inside, I feel nervous.
That's very normal. Many people feel nervous.
Yes, it's okay to feel nervous sometimes.
Let's repeat. Nervous. I feel nervous.
Good job, everyone.
Now, David, do you know this word, worried?
Yes, worried means you think something bad will happen.
Correct. For example, when my phone battery is low, I feel worried.
That's a modern problem.
Yes, everyone understands this feeling today.
True. I feel worried when I'm late for work.
That's a good example, too.
Let's repeat. Worried. I feel worried.
Perfect. You are learning fast.
Now let's talk about sad feelings.
Okay, sometimes we feel sad. This is normal too.
Yes, it's okay to feel sad sometimes.
For example, when I miss my family, I feel sad.
I understand. I feel sad when it rains all day.
Really? I actually like rainy days.
We are different. You like rain, I feel sad.
That's funny. Different people, different feelings.
True. Let's repeat. Sad. Sad. I feel sad.
Good. Now let's learn angry.
Angry means very upset or mad.
Yes, for example, when traffic is very slow, I feel angry.
Oh, I understand that feeling very well.
Haha, everyone understands traffic problems.
Yes, also, when I lose my keys, I feel angry.
Me too. And then 5 minutes later, I find them in my pocket.
That happens to me all the time.
Classic mistake. We laugh, but it's true.
Let's repeat. Angry. Angry. I feel angry.
Very good, everyone. You're doing great.
Now, let's talk about nice, comfortable feelings.
Yes, like relaxed.
Relaxed means calm, no stress.
For example, on Sunday, I feel relaxed.
Me too. Sunday is my favorite day.
Why is Sunday your favorite day, David?
Because I don't work. I just relax at home.
Same here. I like to drink tea and relax.
That sounds nice. What kind of tea?
Green tea. It helps me feel calm.
I like coffee, but maybe I should try tea too.
Yes, try it. It's very relaxing.
Let's repeat. Relaxed. Relaxed. I feel relaxed.
Perfect. Now, let's learn proud.
Proud means happy about something you did well.
For example, when I finish a difficult work project, I feel proud.
I feel proud when I help my friends.
That's a beautiful feeling.
Yes, helping others makes me feel proud and happy.
Let's repeat. Proud. Proud. I feel proud.
Very good, everyone.
David, do you know this word? Confused?
Yes, confused means you don't understand something.
Correct. For example, sometimes English grammar makes me confused.
Me too, sometimes.
Really? Even you feel confused?
Of course, English has many rules. Sometimes I forget them.
That's okay. Everyone feels confused sometimes, even teachers.
Yes, don't worry if you feel confused. It's part of learning.
Let's repeat. Confused. Confused. I feel confused.
Good. Now the last one, bored.
Bored means you have nothing interesting to do.
For example, on a long bus trip, I feel bored.
Yes, I feel bored too on long trips.
What do you do when you feel bored?
I listen to music or I watch videos.
Good idea. I read a book.
That's a great habit.
Let's repeat. Bored. Bored. I feel bored.
Perfect, everyone. You learned so many words today.
Okay, now it's time to practice.
Yes, we will ask questions. You can answer at home.
Question 1. How are you feeling today?
Take a moment. Think about your answer.
You can say, I feel happy or I feel tired.
Any feeling is okay. Just try to speak.
Question 2. What makes you feel excited?
Maybe travel? Maybe food? Think about it.
Question 3. What makes you feel relaxed?
For me, it's tea and quiet music.
For me, it's Sunday mornings.
Question 4. What makes you feel proud?
Take your time. Think of one thing.
Good. Now try to say a full sentence.
For example, I feel proud when I speak English.
Yes, that's a perfect sentence.
Try to say it out loud right now.
Don't be shy. Practice speaking is very important.
Yes, speaking out loud helps you remember.
Even if you make mistakes, it's okay.
Mistakes help us learn. Don't worry.
Exactly. We all make mistakes, even native speakers.
Now, let's hear a full conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm feeling great, thank you. How about you?
I'm feeling a little tired. I worked late last night.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Here you go. Feel better soon.
Thank you, David. You're very kind.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
So sweet. Okay, everyone. Did you understand that conversation?
It was simple, right? Just short sentences.
Yes, and very natural. This is how real people talk.
Let's listen again, but slower this time.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm feeling great.
Good job listening, everyone.
Now try to repeat the whole conversation with a friend.
Yes, practice makes progress.
Let's review some useful phrases from today.
Yes, let's repeat them slowly.
Number 1. How are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today?
Number 2. I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Number 3. I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired.
Number 4. What makes you feel excited?
What makes you feel excited?
Number 5. Don't worry, it's normal to feel nervous.
Don't worry, it's normal to feel nervous.
Very good, everyone. You are doing amazing.
These phrases are useful every single day.
Yes, try to use them today with your family or friends.
Even one sentence is great practice. David, can I tell a funny story?
Yes, please. I love your stories.
One time I wanted to say I am excited,
Okay, what happened?
but I said I am exciting.
That means something different.
I know, my friend laughed so much.
Exciting means something is fun, but excited means you feel that way.
Exactly. Small mistake, but funny result.
Don't worry, we all make mistakes like this.
Yes, so if you make a mistake, just laugh and continue.
That's the best way to learn.
Mistakes are just part of the journey.
Well said, Alice. Okay, everyone, we learned so many words today.
Happy, sad, tired, excited, nervous, worried, angry, relaxed, proud, confused, bored.
That's a lot of new words.
Yes, but remember, practice a little every day.
You don't need to remember everything at once.
Just try one new word today.
Maybe use it in a sentence right now.
For example, today I feel, and finish the sentence.
Try saying it out loud.
Good job, everyone. I'm proud of you.
Me too. You are all doing great.
Remember, learning English takes time.
Slow and steady progress is still progress.
Yes, don't give up.
Keep practicing every day, even a little bit.
Little steps become big progress.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning about feelings with us.
If you learned something new, please like this video.
And subscribe for more English lessons like this.
Now, before you go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, how are you feeling today?
Yes, write one sentence in English.
We would love to read your answers.
Don't be shy, just try your best.
Every comment helps you practice.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you in the next video.
Take care and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.